continue to defend our territorial sovereignty, our territorial rights. We have not changed our approach.
Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may bagay tayong pag-uusapan. President Marcos nagsalita na tungkol sa sikretong pananakop ng China, pero bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Matapos lumabas ang pinakabagong mapa ngayon ng China na tinatawag nilang Standard Maps, ay madaming bansa ang naapektuhan dito at isa na nga dito ay ang Pilipinas. Ang Pilipinas ay isa sa mga bansang may inaangking teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea, pero sa bagong nilabas na mapa ng China ay tila sinakop nito ang buong West Philippine Sea. Hindi na nga nakapigil at nakapagsalita na rin ang ating Senate President pati na rin si President Marcos patungkol sa ginawa ito ng China. Ang dating 9-dash line kasi nila ay ginawa na nilang 10-dash line. Narito po ang pahayag ng ating President at Senador, panoorin po ninyo.
Now, we of course will continue to defend our territorial sovereignty, our territorial rights. We have not changed our approach. It is other countries around us that have changed their approach. Now, once again, we receiving the news that now the 9-dash line has been extended to the 10-dash line. So these are we have to respond to all of these, and we will. But again, these are operational details that I would prefer not to talk about.
In terms of strategy, sir, we are upscaling our response.
But I think from the international, because we have stayed true to the rules-based international law, especially the UNCLOS, and that I think puts us on very solid ground in terms of our claims for territorial sovereignty, for maritime territory. And this has been validated and supported by many countries around the world, and we should take strength in that. And I believe that that again is very big help to the Philippines in continuing to defend our maritime borders.
Sabihan, no? Misery loves company. No? Dumami na yung miserable na yun sa buong mundo, hindi lamang ang Pilipinas. Sinakop na nila po yung India, merong border dispute din sila sa India. At officially, naglabas na po sila ng mapa at may kinain din silang lupa sa India. Lalo na tayo, yung mga bansa dito sa Southeast Asia. Sinakop na rin nila yung napakaraming isla ng Vietnam, ng Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. No? So, talagang nakakagulat po yan. But then again, I think it will solidify support for the arbitral ruling wherein the 9-dash line was quashed. No? Hindi recognize ng the tribunal or the PCA itong 9-dash line nila. Ginawa na nga nilang 10-dash line, pinalaki pa, pinalawak pa. So I think this way we'll be able to galvanize more support from other countries.
Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating defense, abangan lamang ang aking mga bagong video. Para naman sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, mag-comment lamang po at share, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Pwede ka ring manalo ng pera or load dito kapag ikaw ay naging top fan nito at napili. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat po.